Did you know that 90% of bad breath comes from the tongue? What you smell is sulfur gas given off by bacteria, hiding in those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies on the rough surface of your tongue, not from your gut or teeth. That's why brushing your teeth is not the answer to bad breath. The problem is this: the tongue is like this piece of sandpaper. The rough surface provides plenty of hiding places for bacteria. These bacteria live in colonies and are covered by a sticky plaque and are 1,500 times more resistant to antibacterial agents. That's why antibacterial mouthwash isn't all that effective. What's the solution? Dental research says you have to mechanically remove the material. This is why we created the original tongue brush and gel. Dentist design, we believe it's the most effective tongue cleaner on the market. Before tongue, your options were a toothbrush or tongue scraper. Let's look at your toothbrush. Not the best tool for the job. Here's why. To begin with, its narrow, high profile triggers the gag reflex immediately. But more importantly, the soft bristles overflex and are grossly ineffective at scrubbing away this sticky tongue gum. What about the tongue scraper? These have been around for a long time. The straight, rigid edge of a scraper simply skims over the tongue's rough surface. It does not fit into the crevices the bacteria are located. If you've never used them, it can be an unpleasant experience. And be careful, as it can also damage your tongue if you're not careful. The tongue brush has short, firm bristles designed to penetrate those nooks and crannies and dislodge odor-causing bacteria. Its ergonomically designed handle, wide head, along with its low profile combined, greatly minimize the gag reflex, thus making it super comfortable and easy to use. It's the most comfortable tongue trainer on the market today. The original tongue gel is designed to aid in the loosening of this nasty material during the cleaning process and leave your mouth feeling totally fresh. Tongue gel contains zinc, which naturally eliminates bad breath by neutralizing sulfur gases given off by bacteria. Never use toothpaste on the brush as it dumps up and turns into a haven for bacteria to thrive. Instead, the light, highly water-soluble tongue gel formula is designed to rinse clean from the brush. Finally, the great minty taste is addictive and amazingly refreshing. It leaves your mouth feeling fresher than simply brushing your teeth. So take the tongue challenge. Commit to using the original tongue brush and gel every day for 1 week. It only takes 10 seconds. Look at your tongue before you brush. Watch what you spit out and look at it when you're done. You won't believe the difference. After that, we dare you